Hey, hey, what's up, guys? Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the stream. Today's the CPI news. Uh, I'm now on the gold daily time frame, and as you can see, the market is clearly making higher highs. I am anticipating that price will go up, take the buy side liquidity, and make a new all-time high like this high retest to the breaker block, and then go. Price maybe go up $4,000. That was possible, but let's see what happens. And this is my long-term view, but currently I'm trying to trade on the lower time frame on for scalps. And now the market has taken buy side liquidity. Okay, after that the market is moving down and taking this inducement. Now the market is reacting, so we can definitely look for a good trade on the 50-second time frame. Bekana, you can see 50-second time frame is clearly bullish and break of structure on the buy side. So let's play with 0.03 and swing low is my SL. So let's take the trade. Oh my god, price is will going up. Okay, I made a position right now, but okay, I'll open a position right now, but my entry wasn't great. So maybe I need to give more room for the stop loss because we are the 50 seconds time frame and anything can happen on such a low time frame. I'll place my stop loss below this low and the risk is as $12. I will hold and let's see where the market goes. Currently my PNL is at a break even, so let's see what happens. The market is starting to drop. I'll only I have only risked $12, which is 0.01% of my account because I'm just practicing. This is not long-term trade based on bias or time frame alignment. So guys, let's check the 50-minute time frame. On the opposite side at the top, there is a fair value gap with inducement, so I can hold my trade. My currently position is running at around $6-7 in profit. I'm just practicing on the 15-second time frame because it gives you very good setups like you might see in ICT. So guys, we are currently running in profit $6 above the $6. So now I can trail my stop loss like this low. I risking right now. So currently we have profit in $7, just 7. Oh my god, what is happening, guys? You can clearly see that the market is breaking down right now. A big red candle is coming in, so I want to check this 1 minute time frame on the 1 minute time frame chart. This looks like a strong rejection is their news right now because this candle is telling me something. Maybe some news just dropped. Wait a minute, I will check and be right back. So guys, bad news. I mean CPI news is today, but the news is not right now. It is currently 5:35 p.m. and the news is coming at 6 p.m. So we will still have a 25 minutes before the news drops. Right now the market is reacting like it is already news time. You can see a huge red candle, almost a 50 pip move on the 50-minute time frame. I just entered another position and placed a sell order. Currently, we placed a not a placed, but I buy order in the position. So currently, we have a loss break even almost. I have not placed a stop loss yet because I plan to exit manually. Don't worry, I will exit manually. Okay, that is my running trade. I'm trying to manage it now. Place my stop loss at 41. Now it's modified. I'm risking almost 0.01% of the count because this is $100. This is a 200k dollar count size. So we are currently again break even. So my trade size is 0.07. This is guys manipulation. Let's check the 1 hour time frame. In the 1 hour time frame, market still not tapped a bearish FVG and 30-minute also not tapped the bearish FVG. This is a manipulation, clearly manipulation. And let's see the 5 minutes. So 5 minute time frame is bearish, takes a liquidity buy side and now going to down and swing low is my SL. So we are currently negative in $8, $7, $3 break even. So let's see what happens. Oh my god. This is manipulation guys. Let's check the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour chart, the market still has not tapped the bearish FVG and on the 30-minute time frame it has not tapped the bearish FVG. This is clearly manipulation. Now let's look at the 5 minute time frame. On the 5 minute time frame chart, the market took the buy side liquidity and is now moving down. My stop loss is placed below the swing low. Currently we are negative around S8, S7, 8 bucks. No, right now I'm currently in profit $6, close to break even. So let's see what happen next.
ਗਰਮੀ ਜੀ ਘੱਟ ਗਈ ਆ ਨਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਗੱਡੀ 'ਚ ਜਾਣਾ ਤੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਵੇਲੇ ਏਸੀ 'ਚ ਵੜ ਜੇ ਫੇਰ ਗੱਲ ਵੱਖਰੀ ਆ ਤੇ ਪਰ ਇਹ ਵਾ ਤੁਰਨਾ ਤੇ ਪੈਣਾ ਹੀ ਆ ਥੋੜਾ ਬਹੁਤਾ ਹਾਂਜੀ
So guys, we have reached the fair value gap and you can see the market is reacting from 50-minute fair value gap. My network might be slow. That's why I have not switched to the 15-second time chart yet. Now let's check the 1 hour chart. This is a strong fair value gap, but you can also see there is a liquidity on the upside. Equal highs, so the market can definitely go and take the liquidity. Will wait patiently and see what happens next. I know some profit booking is happening, but I don't care. Oh my god, this is the news, the CPI news, and it is in my direction. So I will show you what happening in 50 seconds. What the size of 50-second time frame if I switch. Right now, I'm currently profiting $128, almost 1 is to 3 is to reward. So we got 1 is to 3 already. Let's wait. The market is rejecting from the high. Okay, I will wait patiently. Maybe my buy stop has been activated, so I will go check in the MetaTrader because buy stops are not allowed. 5%ers don't allow that you are not allowed to trade with pending buy stops. So I will close the position manually. I don't know why I am not opening the okay. Oh my god. So we are currently in profit 160, $170. So guys, wait, I will go in the MetaTrader and place my new order because news time window is going up. So if I got definitely this area retest because this was the breaker block and I definitely take the trade. So let's wait. So guys, you can see the 1 second time frame during the news. This is the 1 second candle when the news come out. I wanted to check the 50-second chart, but I was not able to switch because of a network error. I don't know why. Let's check the 30-second chart instead. Okay, this is the 30-second chart movement. My trade was running in profit. 192, 194, okay, 200. This was the almost 1 is to 5. Right now, we are in profit with the risk to reward of 1 is to 5. So, guys, now currently I am going to trail my stop loss. The good thing is that the CPI news moved in my direction. Currently, I'm running $185 in profit. I want to take a trade on the daily or 4 hour time frame, but I want to enter at a discount right now. The price is too high. The market pushed it up because of the news. If I get a retest with the inducement, I will definitely take a trade on my 2 step, 3 step funded account. You can see I might take a trade of over 1,000, but right now I'm just scalping. So I did not take the trade because I only trade during the New York session. This setup was not according to my setup, my rules maybe. So we are currently in profit. So I will show you my trades. This is my open trade. I will show you my close trades. So this is my close trades. I took the loss in $80. So which you are seeing Nasdaq trades. This is the New York Silver Bullet. It sometimes works. I'm working on this, but this sometimes works, sometimes not. So I take the risk of the account. I will show you all my trades. These are all my trades. You can see the previous ones I booked is $7 in one, and currently we are 200 in profit, almost 175 bucks in profit. Yesterday I booked an 81 loss because I opened a large position. The one you saw in Nasdaq 100, all my Nasdaq 100 trades are New York Silver Bullet trades. I trade the New York Silver Bullet every day, but I don't have much experience with it yet. Since I have only recently started using this strategy, as you can see, I only risk around 0.025% per trade. I mean 0.25% per trade. For example, my Nasdaq trade had a 500 risk and my account size is 100k, more precisely around 97,400. You can also see one of my biggest losses in Nasdaq 100. It was around 150 and 81, which is almost 0.7% of the account, but it is okay. And I just want to say I never lie. I was emotional when I took that trade. I was sure the market would go down, so I kept moving my stop loss further and further. And funny thing is, after my stop loss was hit, the market went in my direction. Let me now. So guys, we are coming down, and I'm not fixed targeting in this particular trade. Oh my god, I. So the Nasdaq trade you are seeing, I took it with 0.50 loss. I entered the trade when the market took the previous day's liquidity on the opposite side. I had a very good sell setup, so instantly I booked my profit earlier. I just took 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. The market continued going to down after I closed the trade. So I was lucky to close 1 to 2. If I had not closed it, the market would have definitely hit my break even. That was my big mistake profit on this account so far. And my biggest loss is still smaller than profit. Oh shit. So guys, let's watch the market. Okay, almost 1 is to 5 is complete, and but I have not booked it yet because I know the daily buzz. If the market does not come back to my break-even entry, I will definitely book the biggest profit of my account on this trade. Let's check the potential in this trade. I will book 1000 if gold makes new all-time high. Now let's check the 50-second time frame to see what's happening. My 15-second time frame is not working. I don't know why. Okay, let's check the 30-second time frame. On the 30-second time frame, we got a market structure shift, and this is the fair value gap we expected from the market, but it's okay. Respected. I said respected. Oh my goodness, what the hell? The market is still almost coming back to my break even. This feels like a fake move. Maybe even fake news. Still, I will hold my trade because my daily bias is bullish. There is a huge rejection on the 1 hour time frame. This is a zone of selling with a lot of inducement on the upside. If the market goes back down and takes today's low, maybe even yesterday's low, I will still look for bullish trade. These are my day lows yesterday and today's, and I expected that if the market goes back and takes these lows, I definitely enter my more buy side trades. Okay, this is the third day liquidity low. Let's see what happens today. New York session is very interesting because there is a lot of liquidity on the sell side and CPI is still positive for gold. So let's see how the New York session play out. Maybe the market will move sideways yesterday when gold opened. It took previous day's liquidity and then moved up. I don't know why my 15-second time frame and 15-minute time frame are both showing, both are not showing. I don't understand what's happening. Okay, let's watch the 10-minute time frame. On the 10-minute, the market clearly shows inducement and equal highs. Now we know the market is going back. I will place my stop loss at the break even because there is still potential for a move to upside. That was at the order block and that was the fair value gap. Let's see what happens. I got 1:5, but I made a mistake. I didn't book profits. I forget that I'm scalping right now, but trading in the daily, I got a greedy. But this is a lesson for me. Next time I will be more disciplined. Yes, what are you asking? Can play one more? Hmm? Can open one more position? Uh, okay, let's. First, I want to see what happening on the daily breaker block is tap. This is not actually breaker block. This is a order block. 4 hour candle is showing me weakness. So I want market close top than this, and then I will take a trade on 2 step funded account. So guys, in this stream, that's it. I'm closing my stream and we are back again when the New York session is open. Okay.